In this video, I'll show you how to do the "you just got drafted" filter trend on TikTok. It's actually a very interesting tutorial. You won't really find the filter on TikTok, but I'll show you how to do it. But before we start, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is actually go on Instagram, because you can't find it in the filters on TikTok, and type in this username, Bleacher Report. Here it is. You can save it, and they have a lot of tabs. You want to click on this one, not on any of these ones, this one, and then go down below until you find the effect. You want to save it, click on try it, or just save it, just like this, then go back and create a new story. So we'll go ahead and do that right now by selecting it. Here it is. And now we just got to record. You just go drafted by and save it to our camera roll. And when it's saved, all we got to do is go on TikTok. Oops, here's TikTok. Click the plus icon, click on uploads, and select the effect. And here it is. Here's how you do it. If you like the video, like it on YouTube. Bye.